This Remax Equity Group property video is presented by Sarah Murray and less than bedroom greater than Lorna Murray. Vintage Laurelhurst beauty walking distance to Laurelhurst Park. Versatile floorplan offers 3-bed on main level west/2 baths. Toscana remodeled kitchen west/Satio tile, beautiful cabinetry and wine rack. Professor Viking range engineer fridge. New paint inside/out. Updated electrical, roof, gutters, eaves, tankless H2O heater. Lower level basement is perfect for possible audio and area for family room, office/gym and west/second bath. Drench yourself in an oasis of fully mature exotic trees and shrubbery. Home energy score equals 5. HES report at https://rpt.greenbuildingregistry.com/HES OR 10,192,852. For more information, review the details below or